another episode of Do It on a Unicycle. Today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube on a unicycle. So the way I'm going to test out my skills of doing the Rubik's Cube on the unicycle is first I'm going to try solving it just regular, and then I'm going to try solving it idling on my 20-inch unicycle, and then I'm going to try solving it riding on my 29-inch unicycle. And I'm going to do 3 attempts of each and see the best average of all of them. And here are the results. As you can see, my best average time was regular and my single best attempt was also regular. My worst average attempt was idling and my worst individual attempt was also idling. I was happiest with my riding score there at 120, which actually tied my second best time overall. Alright, so as you can see, I'm not great at solving the Rubik's Cube, but I'm also not awful at solving the Rubik's Cube. And I seem to only be only a little bit worse at solving the Rubik's Cube while I'm riding, and then a little worse on top when I am idling. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. Do it on a unicycle.